Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm in a different setup. I'm in my baby's room because anywhere I go, if he's in his room, he's trying to get out of his crib. So he just be lifting his leg over and I just can't have that. So I brought half of my setup in his room, so I'm just making do. So I just brought my little vase and plants and stuff in here, and this was already here and stuff, but I just brought the rest of my setup in here, so we'll see how this goes. So today I want to do a get ready with me. Y'all, I have very little product that I'm going to use today on my face. I have a new palette, the Caliente palette from Artist Couture. They had this in BoxyCharm, and I didn't get it in mine, but my mom got it in hers. So she gave this to me when I went to go visit my family and stuff. So I'm super excited to use, what shade is this? Rumba. And then maybe I'll put this gold on top. I don't know, we'll see. I'm trying to keep it very simple and stuff. So let's get started. Take off my glasses. If you guys watch my other videos, you know I'm a heavy glasses wearer. I can't see anything and stuff. So yeah, I still haven't bought any contacts or anything like that. So yeah. So first thing is I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury. I'm pretty sure this is called the Flawless Filter. The words and stuff kind of scratched off, but I'm using the shade 4 Medium, and this stuff has lasted me so long. With my previous videos, I always talk about how much I love this product so much, because you can use it in so many different ways for makeup, and I just love that about that product. I'm gonna use my IT Cosmetics dual-ended brush. I don't know if they still sell this brush. Like, this number is 132, but I do know they have other dual-ended brushes and stuff. So I am gonna do this, try to do it fast. Y'all, I have been trying to think of videos to make, so if you have any suggestions on what you would like to see for my channel, let me know. I just been trying to see, like, trying to find the I just been trying to find like the time and stuff, because it's just a little hard. Because my son is all over the place right now, and it's just me at the house, so hubby is at work. So really the only really time I have is during nap time, and nap time is like 11, 12, or 1. So I really want to, I like to do like videos in the morning. I think that's where I'm like more comfortable at. But anyways, think that's pretty good. Then I'm gonna go in my Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue in the shade 10 Light. I think this might be too light for me, but I just use a little bit, just a tad bit. And I'm gonna let that sit there just for a little bit so it can dry down, and I get a little bit more coverage in those areas that I applied it, and then I can just blend it on out. So while that's kind of setting in, I'm gonna go into my MAC Give Me Sun bronzer, and I have this Persona dual-ended brush. This brush is amazing, you guys. It's so soft, and I just love using this for my bronzer and blush. And then you can use this if you want to set your under eyes. You can use this part of the brush as well, but I'm just gonna go in with powder. Sometimes I go in with cream contour and stuff, but yeah, this is what I'm going to be using today. And I normally go heavy usually with the bronzer, and then when I'm done, I'll take my brush that I use for my foundation or whatever I use for my base, and I will blend it out so it doesn't look too harsh. So hopefully I'm not blocking. So the goal for today, I was thinking about going to Ross. I was also thinking about going to Starbucks and just getting that pumpkin spice latte. I really want to try, I've seen people try the chai latte. If you're really into chai, and adding the pumpkin syrup and then the cold, the cold brew foam with that. So I just don't know which one I want to try today, because I haven't had an iced chai in so long. If you guys like chai, let me know in the comments, because I really love me some chai. Honestly, I'm almost done. Like, okay, taking the dual-ended brush, I'm using this side of the brush, the smaller, and I am then going to pat this concealer into my skin. I feel like my hair is all over the place. It's driving me crazy. I feel like that's like the one thing I don't have time for, is doing my hair. It's like either you choose one or the other. And sometimes I choose not to do both, not to do my makeup and not to do my hair, or I'll just like throw my hair up in a ponytail, you know, and just be on my way. So, I'm trying to see when I go to Ross, or if I end up at Burlington. Yes, baby. If I end up at Burlington, I want to look for a car mount, because I want to, he's trying to talk too. I want to have some videos when I'm in the car and stuff. That way I don't want to like be holding my phone or whatever and like trying to talk and like drive. I don't want to do none of that. I just want to have my car mount and then just press record, you know, just something super simple and stuff. Yeah, if you guys like time lapse and all that stuff, I can always do that as well. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go back in with my bronzer after I pretty much concealed. Sometimes I set my makeup, sometimes I don't. It just really depends on the mood I'm in, honestly. I do like a more dewy kind of look, but oh. Next, I'm going to go in with the NARS Orgasm, and I did get this my BoxyCharm, I think last month or the month before. I was super hyped about it because I've never tried their bronzer, or not bronzers, their blushes before, especially the OG. This is the OG right here, and it's such a pretty, really pretty color. So that's pretty much done. Normally I'll just go ahead and do my lips and then put some mascara on and I'll be done. But today I really want to play with this palette, even though I'm not gonna play with like all these shades. I just really wanna try this color out. I'm using a Luxie tapered blending brush. It is the 205 brush, and I am taking that brownie shade that's in the palette. And I'm just gonna do, oh, she pigmented, okay. I am just gonna do a wash of color on the lid. Okay, next I'm gonna take my Trestique mascara. This is a really pretty good mascara. I really like it. This simple look would look really cute with some lashes, but I don't have any lash glue. I haven't had any in like so long. Literally almost done. Okay, so I'm going with my Jaclyn Cosmetics lip liner, and this is a Hot Tea. I really need to get my sharpener. I need to sharpen this pencil, but this shade is so pretty. Okay, and then for the liquid lip, I'm gonna go back in with Jaclyn Cosmetics, and this shade is Empowered, one of my favorite shades from the collection. Okay, you guys, and this is the finished look. Something super fast, and honestly I didn't even realize that this lip was gonna complement the eyes so well, and then just the cheeks and everything. Travell. You can use the Artist Couture lip gloss in this shade Unsensed. If you're a gloss girl, you can use the Artist Couture Uncensored. This is such a pretty nude gloss. Since I am probably gonna be going out, I don't feel like wearing lip gloss and then my mask and all stuff, so I'd rather just have a matte, you know, liquid lipstick that doesn't transfer, and I'm just good to go. I don't have to worry about it. I really like this palette. It's very aesthetically pleasing. Yeah. Oh my god. So if you guys want to see me use other colors that are in this palette, please let me know in the comment section down below. So I'll probably vlog me going to Ross and stuff. I'll see if it makes it into this video. If not, it'll be on a separate video. But if you guys enjoyed today's look and everything, let me know in the comment section down below. Be sure to like this video and be sure you subscribe to my channel, you guys. I will be doing a giveaway once I hit 1,000, and that is my goal, to hopefully hit 1,000. Like, I am very determined and stuff. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video once again, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.